Let's roll.
English man.
Nabalandeli be the Bees lana igame iphelile 3-0 the Bees have prevailed defeating iKruger to MFC Mpumalanga Derby lana. Live out jam. Game uyibone njani? Winning live out jam.
We won.
Yeah.
Like literally, we won fair and square.
Convincing. 3.
Like, literally,
Yeah.
we won. We gave it our all, and we literally gave our best. The money festive is totally
Yeah.
The Christmas early.
Awujam live bekubaleke kangakanani ukuthi niwine le game lena very well ukuthi kuyigame yokugcina season lena and the 3 points bomqoka kangakanani in terms of keeping your hopes of staying in the MFC or gaining potential promotion into the PSL.
This game was really tough
Yeah.
because we're going derby.
Yeah.
Because it was both our home ground basically.
Yeah.
So it was basically ngathini competition tough. So lana kuze banekini.
Yeah.
Sindala zombili.
Yeah.
iKruger ne the Bees.
Yeah man.
Yabona abantu abenzani. Sure.
Umusuka lana awujam lifa le game leniqale nayidlala niqale in the league niqale nashaya iCasrick tuke dabi yekuqala la
First one.
nalandzela tuke netbank kuzange uhamba kahle nashaya iGomora kwathi iKruger nyalo nduna yami uma ndidlala against iKruger nayo inqoba nduna yami
Ashaya.
kuthuka kule game lenidlalile Wednesday kwangahambi kahle against iGomora kube kunifakele ukuthi hayi phela la siyakhona lana kungaba khona la singaphumeleli khona kahle.
You know what? I think wonke umuntu uyandastanda ukuthi le ibhola le
Yeah.
lento iyarola ne.
Yeah.
We had hopes obviously for qualifying for the Nedbank.
Yeah.
But then I think luck was not on our side.
Yeah.
Ne? So now I think this one is gonna top us up to the league. Ne? We'll go because literally guys we won the first game.
Yeah.
Ne? But ibhola like go jabang shit. Njalo shaya ukuthi shayini. Shaya bumukela on the base basically.
Yeah.
Like bumukela on the base. Of which I'm happy.
Yeah.
Sibona kiss mzomnanzi babe.
Hayi.
Angisari ukuthi Dr. Ngithini.
Le big le.
Bruh, this one. And also,
Yeah.
I'm very happy that my brother scored.
Yeah.
My brother scored.
Masilele.
Thank you.
Sibalibonga kakhulu.
Clock it.